table. So today is April 13th. Tomorrow is April 14th, which is a really special holiday in Asia. So in Korea, it's known as White Day. So you guys know Valentine's Day, February 14th. Guys show love for their girlfriends, wives, whoever it may be, giving them chocolate and flowers and a nice romantic dinner or lunch. But on April 14th, it's called White Day. It's a day where you reciprocate the love. So the girls show guys love by giving them chocolate or candy, but it's also Black Day. So White Day and Black Day occur on the same day. Black Day is celebrated by singles. So it's a really cool day because whether you're single, whether you're with someone, it's like everyone gets to celebrate it. Singles celebrate it by eating jajangmyun, which is the color black. Jajangmyun is a black bean noodle. So choonjang is the main sauce to this dish, and you incorporate it with pork, zucchini, onions, other vegetables, and noodles. It's really delicious. It's actually fairly simple to make, so I thought it was a perfect day to show you guys how to make this dish. Let's go check out these ingredients. So first we're gonna start off by cutting and prepping all the ingredients into equal square pieces. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger than dicing it. They're gonna be bigger dices, and only cucumbers will be cut into thin, small slices. So in case you guys are wondering, wow, that knife that you're using looks amazing. It's new, so we were gifted this by Nakano. I mean, look how sleek and nice this looks. I love it. So if I want to talk a little bit more about their product. So Nakano, I think it's a small city in Tokyo. So you guessed it, this knife is made in Japan. This knife is from the Mito knife set. The craftsmanship started in 1918, and they combine traditional and modern techniques to craft this household knife. It lasts for multiple generations. I mean, there are a lot of celebrity chefs that use this knife. It's just a really high quality knife set. All of these are handmade in Seki, Japan. The stainless steel is very strong and durable. It's beautiful actually. It's an extremely sharp knife that will effortlessly sail through your food. Make sure to check out the knife. They did give us a promo code so that you guys can get a discount. The discount code is Angie's Table. We will also link it under the description box. Please make sure to check out these sleek knives. Literally. Wow. In a large pan, let's add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and a cup of pork, and also the green onions until it's golden brown on the outside. And to this, we're gonna add a teaspoon of sugar and continue to cook it on high heat. Then we're gonna add in our onion, zucchini, and cabbage and continue stirring this for about 3 minutes. The whole point of jajangmyeon is for the vegetables to not be fully cooked and soft. You want it to be slightly crunchy and undercooked. So we got today 볶음 짜장. I was trying really hard to look for choonjang, and I guess they don't have it anymore because they were all 볶음 짜장. I was calling my dad because he makes jajang a lot. He had this phase where he was just making jajangmyeon at home, but he said this should work. So we have roasted black bean paste, and this black bean paste is fermented. Now we're gonna push all the contents off to the side. We're gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the center and add the black bean paste or choonjang on top. Now saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes to extract the flavor and think like you're frying your paste. Then we'll incorporate this sauce with the rest of the ingredients in the pan. And add 2 cups of water. Let's let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 7 minutes. Do you guys know what it's time for?
Please remain seated.
Today's word of the day is very fitting with the theme. It's 연인, which means lovers. You wouldn't really say to someone who's married. It's usually pointed at people who are dating, like, oh, they're lovers.
It's more of like a word you use to romanticize dating, I feel like.
Yeah, I think we've done this word before as the word of the day, 연애, which means to be in a relationship. So Yeone and Yeonin are very similar to each other. But yeah, I do think it's a more like mature type of word and something that is just more romantic. But today's word of the day is Yeonin, which means lovers. So now let's cook our jajangmyeon noodles in a separate pot for about 7 minutes. These are the noodles that I got at the Korean grocery store. So they say udon jajang. You want something that's not as thick as udon noodles, but something that's not too thin. And opposed to the frozen ones, these fresh noodles are better. We're gonna drain and rinse it in cold water to remove excess flour and starch. We're gonna mix cornstarch and water to create this slurry and incorporate this into the sauce in order to make it thick. Jajangmyeon sauce is usually thick, not watery and runny. Jajangmyeon is actually enjoyed not only on this day, but for special occasions. You eat jajangmyeon when you move into a new home. So whoever is helping you, whether you hired workers or your friends who are helping you organize and unpack things, you enjoy jajangmyeon in your new home, like on the floor with like a cardboard box. You order Korean Chinese food and eat that. I think they say it brings in good luck. But another day you eat jajangmyeon is on your graduation day. So after you graduate, you and your family celebrate the milestone by going out to eat Korean Chinese food. And I think that's about it. Like those are the 3 times that you always eat jajangmyeon.
I feel like it's kind of a luck thing then.
I think so, probably. Ready to eat, Ella? Thank you so much for being patient, Ella, today. Wow, it's jajangmyeon, Ella.
She's freaking out.
jajangmyeon.
맛있겠어? It's good. You know what? That feels healthier too. Like it doesn't feel like heavy and
Oily?
dense and oily.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure restaurants use so much more oil.
It's really good. Noodle texture's perfect.
I'm not a slurper type person, but Grace is a slurper. Jajangmyeon in Korea, you guys, so good. And I love how you can get it delivered. And I just love that it's free delivery. Jajangmyeon is not usually known as something that's healthy, but for some reason this tastes healthy. I don't know why all my foods end up tasting healthier. I like it because you can make big batches of it and you can enjoy it with noodles sometimes, but you can also enjoy it with rice sometimes. Make sure to check out the knives and use our coupon code because these knives are so sleek, so nice, and so functional. And we'll see you guys on our next video.